Stop throwing away $50 every time you buy a houseplant that dies in a week. Most people want a green home, but end up with a graveyard of expensive pots and dried up leaves. US indoor weather is tough because the air is dry in the winter and dark in the corners. Today, I am showing you the top plants that are almost impossible to kill even if you forget they exist. Welcome back to Smart Life. The first plant on our list is the snake plant. This is the ultimate choice for busy people or dark apartments. It can survive in low light and only needs water once every 3 to 4 weeks. It actually prefers to be left alone so you can go on vacation without a plant sitter. Plus, it is one of the best plants for cleaning the air in your bedroom while you sleep. Next is the ZZ plant. This plant has waxy green leaves that look like they are made of plastic. It is famous for being able to survive for months without a single drop of water. It stores moisture in its thick roots, so it is perfect for people who travel or just forget to water. Keep it out of direct sunlight and it will stay green all year round. If you want something that grows fast, go with the pothos. This is a trailing vine that looks great on a bookshelf or hanging from the ceiling. It is very easy to read because the leaves will wilt slightly when it is thirsty. Give it a drink and it pops right back to life within an hour. You can even take a small cutting and grow a whole new plant in a glass of water for $0. For a more modern look, try the spider plant. These are incredibly tough and handle the dry air from your heater better than most. They produce tiny baby plants that hang down like little stars. You can snip these off and pot them to give away as free gifts to your friends. It is a great way to fill your house with greenery without spending another dime at the store. Here is a bonus tip to save your plants and your money. Stop buying expensive plant food and use your leftover coffee grounds instead. Mixing a little bit of dried coffee grounds into the soil adds nitrogen and helps these low-maintenance plants thrive. Just make sure the grounds are dry so you do not grow mold in the pot. Having a green home does not have to be a full-time job or a drain on your wallet. If you are ready to stop being a plant killer, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to optimize your home and your budget. Drop a comment and tell me which plant you have managed to keep alive the longest.